How do you use Regex for pattern matching in Python? Have you ever wondered how to check if a string starts with a specific pattern in Python? Today, we will discuss the Regex function and how it can help you with pattern matching. This function is part of the Re module, which provides support for regular expressions in Python. To get started, you need to import the Re module. This is the first step before you can use any of the functions it offers. Once you have imported the module, you can define the pattern you want to match. This pattern can be a simple string or a more complex regular expression. For example, if you want to match the exact word hello at the start of a string, you can simply use hello. If you want to match a digit, you can use R plus D. To match one or more letters, you can use R A Z Z plus. Now let's see how to use Regex. You will call this function with the pattern and the string you want to check. The syntax looks like this. Rematch pattern string flags is equal to 0. Here, the pattern is your regular expression, the string is the text you want to check, and flags are optional parameters to modify the matching behavior. For instance, you can use ignore case for case-insensitive matching. After calling Regex, you need to check the result. If a match is found at the beginning of the string, Regex will return a match object. If no match is found, it will return none. You can then use the match object to access details about the match. For example, match group will return the matching substring, match span will give you the start and end positions of the match, and match string will return the original string. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you have a string that says hello world, and you want to check if it starts with hello. You would write the following code. Import Re. Text is equal to hello world. Pattern is equal to hello. Match is equal to match pattern text. If a match is found, you can print pattern found, followed by match group. If not, you would print pattern not found. In this case, since the string starts with hello, Regex will return a match object, and you will see pattern found, hello in the output. Keep in mind that Regex only checks from the start of the string. If the pattern appears later in the string, it will not match. If you need to search for a pattern anywhere in the string, you should use research instead. Also, remember to use raw strings by prefixing your patterns with R. This helps avoid issues with backslashes in your regular expressions. Flags can modify behavior, such as ignoring case, which can be very useful in certain situations. In practical applications, Regex can be used for tasks like validating input formats that must start with specific characters. You might check if log lines begin with certain keywords or extract data only if it appears at the start of a string. Using Regex is a straightforward way to verify if a string begins with a pattern. This function is particularly useful in automation and scripting tasks where the position of the pattern at the start matters.